So, very firstly, I have done the editorial. This is from Business Standard Nuclear Energy for Growth, and I have read this. And the second editorial, Copyright Protection. So, I've read these two editorials today, and these are the big editorials, but I haven't read this. I only read the small one. So, after completing the editorial, I have started with speed maths, in which I've written first revised the 100 calculations, and then after that I have written 1 to 50 squares, and after that 11 to 15 to 19 tables. So this video was related to Harshal sir's class. Basically, he's starting the foundation class in Learning Niti, and I have the subscription, and my subscription is going to end in April month. So till then, I will going to do the class from the Learning Niti app itself. Here I am completing percentage to fraction. I have seen the first class of Sir, and then of Vijay sir, and from his class I have taken notes. So these are the notes. This I'm going to revise every day so that I can see and remember the things.